Hi guys, welcome back to Is Delicious. I haven't have made a video in ages. I know. I said this the last time as well, and I promise actually make videos on a regular basis. But I was so busy in learning how to make bread and everything, so completely forgot. Now to take only quick, maybe two, because I'm already on it. Short video for guys baking bread and buying bannetons like this, which is not really wood, it's 3D printed. And you guys heard about that you put rice flour in it. Have you any idea how expensive this is? Okay, it's hilariously expensive, and only to use it for here, to throw it out then later. No, over my dead body. I don't do that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you something today where you just actually put one layer in and it stays forever. Is that cool? And you don't need rice flour, especially for you guys in Europe with now lockdown 2.0. Oh man, so sorry for you guys. I mean, we are here in South Africa technically still in lockdown since March, so yeah, so it is what it is. So a 3D printer, but you can use this method also on this wooden ones, and it works like a charm. It's amazing, and I'm using it all the time, and it works and works. So watch this video. It's short and quick, and I'm not talking besides this one. And it will work, I promise. And if you don't like it, and if it doesn't work, you just wash it off afterwards. But just give it a try, it works. And it costs literally 10 cents. Okay, maybe 20. Depends on how much you have to pay for maizena or potato starch. Works the same. Okay, good luck with trying. It's like really, really good. Try it. Okay? See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Stay safe, stay healthy. Please don't catch corona. And if, please recover. Love you all.